if you stop criticizing and start understanding, then what will happen here? Family relationships will become stronger. Friendships will become deeper. Students become more confident. Employees become more responsible. Customers trust you more. You will naturally become a respected leader. So choose understanding instead of criticization. Choose understanding. Protect their self-respect. These kind of things are very, very important also. From all these things, what any point got connected with you people? Any learning from this discussion?
Yes, sir. Most of the points.
So decide yourself. I don't want to criticize any person. I don't want to scold any person. Okay, because I know that there is no use of that. Think about opposite person's perspective. Think, try to understand them, why they did that mistake, what the root cause for that. Try to hit that root cause so that they can do that. Next, instead of blaming directly, appreciate and then ask for your required corrections. They will do that. If you keep on scolding, there is no use at all. Like, sir, now observe. Simple questions I'm going to ask. There are multiple situations I'm going to explain for you people. If father comes from the office to the home with full tiredness, his son accidentally breaks a glass. One glass plate is there, accidentally breaks a glass. The father shouts like anything because already he's in tired, full frustration in the office activities. He shouted like anything. Will the son become more honest or more afraid? What will happen?
More afraid.
More afraid. Okay, like more afraid. Observe. Same way. Yeah, husband says, very common thing, man. Husband or wife. And husband says, you are always make mistakes. You are always make mistakes. Hey, you want to do small thing also without doing the mistake? If you are telling like this, will that improve a relationship or create another argument?
Create another argument.
Obviously. You always do the mistakes. No matter ఏం చేస్తున్నావు. That day, have you observed our marriage day? You have to come to the at 9 o'clock, but you people came at 9:30. Oh, 16 years before story also they are going to start. Okay, like so there is no use. Our relationship is not going to be improved with the arguments kind of thing. Okay, observe that.